What's going on, guys? I'm Eddie V, and today I'm reviewing my performance brakes and rotors. Sorry about the dirty rims, guys, but as you can see here, I put in performance rotors and brake pads on here, and they look pretty clean and style with this car. Drilled and slotted. What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, I am a little lazy today. Just took it to a touchless wash. Let's say these rotors and pads, I'll have them in I'll save you guys the links in the description below if I can find them again. But I bought them from eBay that a company sells on eBay. They're pretty good. I have them on my Mazda 3. The pads are good. The rotors are good. Let's just say there's day and night difference in what I already had, because what I already had, whenever I put on the brakes, it would shake and vibrate the steering wheel because my rotors were warped. So when I put in the drilled and slotted rotors, it eliminated that. So basically, they're already performing better. And let's clear the truth out there. eBay rotors are not junk if you know what you're buying. Same thing with brake pads. Now, here's another myth. They're gonna do worse on a regular car. No, they're not. They're not gonna do worse. The only downfall is you gotta watch out because it's drilled and slotted. When it rains, water can get in between, and your stopping distance is a lot more than a lot less on a dry condition. But other than that, what the drilled and slotted rotors do is they actually release heat, keeping your rotors and brake pads cooler. That's what it's been doing to me. I stop on a dime on my BMW so far. I enjoyed them. It's still $400 for the whole thing, so it's $100 each. After getting them installed, they worked good. I mean, worked good for me. So if anyone else is complaining, I don't know what they did wrong, but you just got to know what you're looking for in buying there. Mostly what car enthusiasts do, they buy the rotors. When they buy the rotors and the pads, they would use up the pads or throw the pads and get the pads from AutoZone or a parts store. But I decided to buy the kit, and then the rotors usually last you quite a bit. Like on my Mazda, it lasted me probably good 70,000 miles already on it. 70 to 100,000 miles, the rotors, and the brake pads, I already had to change them more than once already, so it's been twice. And yeah, they're pretty good. I love them, and so far, no complaints about it. I would definitely recommend getting it for the 7 Series. If you have a 7 Series and you're upgrading it, get it. Now, the tricky part is you got to find a mechanic who knows how to change them, because there's some wires there that basically when the brake pads go bad, it hits the wire, and it's just, the car is showing you that you need to change your brakes. But other than that, just find someone that can do it cheap. Don't take it to a dealership, because dealership will upcharge you. They're probably not going to even install anything aftermarket. But do like what I did, and so far I'm enjoying the drilled and slotted rotors and performance brake pads. Okay, guys, on a second note, yeah, I did not finish filming this video yet. I'm in my daily right now, driving to work. I gotta tell you guys that on those performance brakes, they do work good, but I still have vibration from my when I push on the brakes, and sometimes it vibrates, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm thinking it's the calipers. It's nothing to do with the brakes or rotors. I just want to add a side note that I do feel a little vibration when I'm braking, but that's only because I probably have bad calipers, bad tires, or just the BMW thing. That's all it is. I'm not having other issues whatsoever.